Listen, how do animals feeling change during the story? Bear was happily munching on some forest berries. Blue scooped down next to him. Then Rabbit hopped alongside them. The humans are building again, Rabbit said. Oh no, not another construction project, Bear cried. Those humans have brought their trucks back into our forest. They are chopping down trees and digging into dirt and grass, said Blue Jay. Bear grabbed a bunch of berries and sat down by a tree to think. He wondered if his favorite berry bushes would be gone. Bear grabbed a bunch of berries and sat down by a tree to think. He wondered if his favorite berry bushes would be gone soon, too. Bear noticed Tree walking toward him, her head down. Bear asked, "What's wrong?" Dear Mouse, I'm all alone. Bear noticed Deer walking towards him, her head down. Bear asked, "What's wrong, dear?" Deer moaned, "I'm all alone. I got caught off my herd near Mars Trail. Now I'm too scared to cross the road to join them." An arch from Bear. "We need to do something to stop the humans," he added. The animals came together to talk about the humans and their new bridge. Rabbit took the lead, encouraging the animals. "We are smart," she said. "We will do whatever we can to stop the humans." The other animals agreed. Rabbit showed off her two front teeth. "My big teeth can chew through anything," she bragged. "I hop underneath their trucks and chew through wires without the trucks working properly. The human can't dig up the land," she said. Rabbit dashed like lightning toward Moss Tree. When she got there, the She chewed wires under a parked truck. She was still hot on a wire when snap! The wire split, but one of her teeth cracked. The construction carried on. Moose bows, my strong antlers can ram into anything. Moose marched proudly to the forest. Head first, he rammed into a truck. He made a dent. He kept hitting the truck again and again until he was dizzy. He spun around and fell to the ground. The construction carried on. Skunk barked. My strength can drive away the workers. Skunk.
Bragged.
The skunk ran down to the moose trail and sprayed to the worker. To the workers. They covered their faces with masks to block the smell. The construction carried on. The animals went to check on the humans. They were upset to see the humans still working in the forest. Rabbit cried, "We failed. We didn't drive away the humans." Bear sighed, "No matter what we do, we can't seem to get rid of those humans." The animal felt disappointed for a long time. Then one day they saw something strange. They watched the workers put dirt and grass over the bridge. Soon the workers left the bridge. Then the animals saw them by the busy road and near them by the bridge.
Underneath
the bridge. They were putting up signs by the side of the road. "Hey, that's a picture of me. I think that bridge was made for us," Bear said. "The humans are trying to help us." They turned the bridge into an animal bridge, Moose said. Deer said, "Now I can find my herd. See you on the other side of the forest." Then she bowed away. The animal stood, looking down at the busy traffic far below. "Hooray! For our bridge!" Bear cheered. Connections Writing. Pretend you are one of the animals in the story. Write a friendly letter to the humans. Include your feeling about the bridge before and after it was made. Science. Think about the habitat of each animal in the story. Discuss good of father. What each animal needs to live.